Hi guys, I got a quick video for you today. It's about 3 months before the 4th of July, and I'm going to build a rack out of all the tubes I have from all our reloadable kits. As you can see, last year I built one from single shot tubes. So I'm going to complete this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I got 5 tubes put on this board, and this board's actually from a cake from 2010. So I have 1 tube left to put on, and that's it. I do have 2 other reloadable kits like the Silver Salute Show and other various tubes that I've kept over the years. And I'll probably use this rack right here for bigger shells this year because these are empty tubes. So I'll take a video of me putting the last tube on, and that'll be it. This is the last tube put on. I got 1 more screw to put in and then I'll be done. It's hard to hold the camera with this drill. So here's the completed rack. I'll probably put festival balls or Wolfpack shells in here. And I'll also put shells in that rack over there. That's it for April. We'll probably go to Wisconsin one more time before June, and then I might do a video on that. And we're going to go to North Carolina in mid-June, so don't expect any videos the first 2 weeks. But I'll probably be going to Shelton Fireworks in Indiana, if any of you guys know about that. And I'll probably do a video on that. So stay tuned, subscribe, get ready for the 4th. Stay tuned.